Ki Board Penyiat Distrik jong ke East Khasi Hills harga sengi baar kila pentip bana pedang kilai sepat rupusan ngut ki nong senong ki mana Manipur ki balawan pet wersha kani kanong ba tang nyu penyungut ki badang don ha kani kanong ba kat ba ki wei pat kila lech sya ki wei pat ki jaka jong ka than ste lamingi bat sekeleng jong keri India. Ka Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills ka kong RM Kurba kalau ang balong ba ka jingirap ki dorbar senong ki bor pulit bat ki Board Penyiat Distrik ki babun na ki bawan pet wer na Manipur kila lech sya Aizol katu kat ni kila lech Delhi lani sa Bangalore bat kila don setang kendiat ki bala lech pai biang sa Manipur. Hak handu trik ujamang ka Evangelical Baptist Convention Church EBCC bat ke Chin Baptist Association CDA kala pentik na baki don nyup nyungut ki petwer ki badang don ha kani kanong ba.
By the church, by the association. There were about 365 migrants that were reported, and this number was given to us by the concerned community, addressed to the police station, and thereafter it arrived in the office.